Hey guys, this is Naveen here and welcome back to my channel. And today we are gonna discuss how to get Coursera courses for absolutely free. So let's get into the video without wasting any time. So first we will open our Chrome and then we will type coursera.org and we have to click on this link. If you don't have a Coursera account, then please create one by clicking here, join for free. Enter your name, email and password and join for free. If you are a college student or a university student, the college will must provide you a college ID. For example, your name at the rate your college name at the rate gmail.com, like this, and by this you can join here for free. The main advantage of that ID will be you can get almost every course for free at Coursera. So please log in with that ID. So here I'm gonna demonstrate how to log in with a normal account. So let's see. I will log in with my email ID and here will be my password. And here you can see these are the courses. Most of them will be paid. For example, let's scroll down and open this one, Django for everybody. And here you can see here is an intro for free option, but it will be for only 7 days. But I will be giving you an advice by which you can get all the courses for absolutely free. So first thing you can do is you can apply for financial aid service, which means you don't have enough money to pay for these courses, and by this you can get any course for absolutely free if you have a valid reason. Please notice, if you have a valid reason, you can get any course for absolutely free. But we have another option too. So let's go back. If you will scroll down, you can see that there are different type of courses over here for this particular course. Means these are the parts of this course. So you can tap on any of these courses. For example, I'm choosing this course, building web application in Django. And here you can see there is an enroll for free option over here. So you have to click on this and then you have to click on audit the course. By this you will have access to all the videos of this particular topic. You can see over here I can easily watch any of these videos. For example, let me play one for demonstration purpose. Let's say let me play this video.
And all those things.
And
with a bunch of stuff in it, and you throw something in here.
And here you can see guys, we have enrolled this course for absolutely free. We didn't have to pay a single dime to get this course. So if you like this video, then please hit the like button. If you really think that my video is really helpful to you, then please hit that subscribe button and I will see you in next video. So bye bye.